What a perfect day for fishing!
It really is. The river looks so inviting.
I packed all our favorites in the tackle box.
I can't wait. This is going to be great.
Whoa, I've got a big one!
Reel it in. Don't let it get away.
I'm trying, it's a fighter!
Yes, you did it. Look at that.
Best day ever! What a great day for fishing!
It really was. The fish were practically jumping into the boat.
Next time, we'll bring the big net.
Good idea. And maybe some snacks for us.